Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove video background in CapCut. So here I've already on CapCut and I've already imported a video. And if you guys want to know how to remove the background of the video, so what you need to do is just click on the video here at the main track and find the cutout option. So just click on the cutout, and here there is an option to remove the background, so just click on that, and now the CapCut will begin to processing the background removing. So you just need to wait until it finish, and it doesn't take long to remove the background. And here it is, the background has been removed, and you can see I think the result is pretty neat. And yeah, that's basically how you can remove video background in CapCut. Okay guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.